How to download Dead by Daylight on PC. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Dead by Daylight on your PC. Whether you're a fan of survival horror or just getting started, this guide will help you get the game running quickly. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and simply search for Dead by Daylight. Now, as you can see, we have the Dead by Daylight game. Scroll down a little bit and simply tap on the Steam's official website. As this game is not appropriate for all number of A's, so simply put on your date of birth and tap on View Ps. Scroll down a little bit to simply download all the editions. You can find various editions that Dead by Daylight offers, and also you can see all the discounts. So I'm gonna be downloading the normal one, which is Dead by Daylight only. Simply tap on Add to Cart. Now let's go to View My Cart. Now all you need to do is simply tap on Continue to Payment. Simply choose your preferred payment method. Once you've done that, you'll be able to purchase the game. Once you've purchased the game, you can simply download it and install it on your PC. And that's it. You now have Dead by Daylight on your PC.